Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable smart reminders on the Slope application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online, so let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on the account button down below, which is the last option. Then you should scroll down to the settings section and click on notifications. Tap on smart reminders, that's the first one. And as you can see, when you start recording, Slopes will enable the start reminders function for the results you are at, but it won't stalk you or drain your battery. So click on the button, enable, then tap on open settings and you will be directed to your phone's settings where you need to click on notifications, that's the third section, and tap on allow notifications. You can also turn on time sensitive notifications which are delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. As you go back to the Slopes app, you will be able to open the turn on the notifications. You can also turn on the notify on watch transfer if you have an Apple Watch, or you can also turn on the friend starts recording option, meaning that you are going to get a notification when one of your friends starts recording near you. You can also allow system notifications, that's the last option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.